in your gallery or your storage. Then you open the InShot, okay. Then you go to videos. Then you press here new. You check. You choose the video you want to use. Like for me now, let's say I want to use something like this. This is my video over here. I want to use this. I'll just add the video. You understand? So you can remove this watermark this thing simply by watching a simple ads, you understand, and you will be able to remove this watermark, or you pay for the premium InShot. So you have to take a look at all these things. Let's take a look at one of them, each of them one by one. The first one is canvas, I think. Second one is music. The third one is sticker. Fourth one text, followed by effect, filter, pip, precut, split, delete, volume, background, speed, animations, crops, switch, cut out, mask, opacity, replace, voice effect, duplicate, rotate, freeze, reverse, and ease. So that is the thing they have for you, like you can use to edit your video. So what we are up to in this video is how to um like add music. So we are going to hit the music. This place will say music. So it's either you use effect or you use record. The record is to do your voiceover immediately, like you'll be watching the video and also be doing voiceover. But we are not, you want to add the music which you have. If it's a record you have recorded before, you want to add it, you just click on this music here. When you click on music, this add featured music, and I'm not advising you to do that, use all this, because some of them may be a copyright, you understand, so you don't know. So just what you have to do, just swipe to the other side or click music over here, click this one over here. Then you're going to see, or if it's the ones you record, you're going to see it here, and even your own music. So but if you didn't see that particular music, you can just press open from form, and you can go to your this thing storage, okay, storage, and you go to the where the music is, and you can click it. So but I have the music, I just want to use as example here. Let me just say I want to use this one. I don't want to use this one. I'll just press use. You can see the music is there, you understand. So if you want to now, like if you want to delete some parts of it, once you press split, you shift to the part that you want it to delete to end, you understand. You just press here, then you click on those part, delete it. You can see I just deleted it. And if you're wondering why is it that the thing shifted like this, you can just hold it for long and drag it, then you place it here like this. You can see it's now close. Let me make it closer. You can see that. So that's just how to add, edit anything music in your this thing, your InShot, you understand. So you have to know the kind of music you're going to be using, because some music are copyright. So you can either use your voice over. So this record over here, this one record is for adding voice over, you understand. You can see once I press it now, what I'm recording now will be added immediately, you understand. Let me just press it, it will be adding immediately. See, it will be adding immediately. So that's just it. It's because I'm recording something, that's why it said it cannot record twice. So that just it. And how to this thing, if you want to edit your music like something like this, you want it to fade out, you can see fade out, you can reduce the volume, you can play with the thing around. If you want it from a particular point, then it is very possible. And if you want the effect on it, you understand, there are plenty effect that you can use, but I don't advise my people to be using this, because it might, this particular effect, some music there are copyright. So you can just go to voice effects. If you want it to be sounding like a child, you can hear the sound now. You can hear the sound, or like a guy, a woman, like a alien, robot, demon, something like that. So that's just it. So you can just do it. And if there's too much noise, you can denoise it so that the music will be okay, to avoid too much noise. So I believe this video might have helped each and every one of you to to get on how to add music on your videos, okay, and to add music on your videos. That's how you're going to do it. It's very easy, just like I told you. So do me a favor, going ahead to hit the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell icon, because I'll still be bringing more video on how to do this same thing on CapCut, because not everybody is using Inshot. Some people are using Inshot for their video editing, and some people are using CapCut for their video editing. So that's just how to add music on your video. So see you in my next video.